Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I want to show you how to make a really delicious and easy pasta. Literally a handful of ingredients, probably things you already have on hand, which is like the best part of this recipe. This is my butter pasta and it's really simplified from how I would usually make it. This is just enough to give you a bunch of flavor, but not like things you have to go out and look for. So I wanted to share it with you. It's delicious, it's easy. If you want to see how it comes together, just keep watching. So to make this, you're going to need some grated Parmesan. I'm using spaghetti, but you can use linguine, fettuccine, whatever your heart desires. Unsalted butter, salt, red pepper flakes, and then some black pepper. You're going to need a skillet or anything with like high sides. And then you're going to need to bring a pot full of water up to a boil, and you're going to want to salt it generously. My water has come to a boil, so I threw my pasta in and I'm going to let this cook. And while that is cooking, we're going to start on our butter sauce. So in my skillet or pan or whatever, I added my unsalted butter and I just have it over low heat. I'm going to let this melt a little bit before I continue to do anything else to the sauce. Alright, keeping the heat pretty low, I'm going to continue to let the butter melt, but I'm going to add in a few, like a pinch or so of red pepper flakes. And I want to add this now because I want the red pepper flakes to really flavor the butter, if that makes any sense, to kind of really infuse it and make it super tasty. And then salt and pepper I add at the end, but I want this to cook nice and slow, just like so. So my pasta is nice and al dente, so I'm going to go ahead and drain this. But before I do so, I'm going to shut the heat off. I'm going to reserve about a quarter cup or so of the pasta water because we're going to use that to flavor our sauce. And then look at this. This is our butter mixture. Okay, it's just little on low heat, just percolating away. So I'm going to drain and then I'll meet you here to finish this off. Okay, my pasta is drained, so I'm going to go ahead and add this to my, ooh, it's hot. I'm going to give this a nice stir. And I just want to make sure that that butter coats our pasta, because then when you add your cheese, it's going to stick to your pasta really nicely. Look at that. I'm going to shut the heat off because I don't need it to be going anymore. And then I'm going to add in my pasta. My Parmesan. And I have about a cup here, a little less. A little bit of salt, not a lot. And then of course, black pepper to taste. Okay, I'm going to mix this. And that is it. Easy as pie. And you can do as much or as little Parmesan. You could do more butter. You could do more pepper flakes. Whatever floats your boat. This is just really easy for right now. I know we were really just trying to kind of work with what we have, which is what I'm doing. I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you enjoy it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Before you go, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, I'm going to just add a little bit of my pasta water just to kind of help loosen this up. Just a little bit, not a lot. And now I will see you guys later. Bye.